Welcome students. This is session 8 of sampling techniques and design of experiments. In this session we are going to discuss the proof of expectation of small s square is equal to capital S square. That is, sample mean is an unbiased estimate of sample mean square is an unbiased estimate of population mean square. Okay, by definition of sample mean square, s square is equal to 1 by n minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to small n yi square minus n into y bar n whole square. This is by definition, this is the definition of sample mean square. Okay, here look here, this term is I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus n into, this is y bar I is equal to 1 to n yi divided by small n into square it here, this square. Take this n in the square outside, it becomes n square, n by n square. Remaining terms are same. This is equal to n square get cancelled, 1 by n. Consider this term, I is equal to 1 to n yi square. This we can written as I is equal to 1 to n yi square plus summation I not equal to j to n yi yj. We can write summation I is equal to n to n yi whole square into this as, look here, this is for n terms. Let us understand this for two terms. I is equal to 1 to 2 yi square means summation I is equal to 1 to 2 yi means y1 plus y2. This square is here. We can write this as y1 plus y2 into y1 plus y2. Let us expand this. These are the y1 into y1, y1 plus y1 into y2, y1 y2, y2 into y1, y2 into y1 plus y2 into y2. Here this blue color is square terms and these are y1 y2 y2 y1 are the two different terms. We can write this as square terms and power 1 terms like this. Since this is square, we can get two terms only. This is equal to, look here, I write this expansion as summation I is equal to 1 to 2 1 2 1 to 2 yi square, I is equal to 1 this term, I is equal to 2 this term, and plus summation I not equal to j, 1 not equal to 2 terms plus yi yj. This is not equal to j terms. Similarly, we can test y1 plus y2 plus y3 also. We can test. Okay. By replacing n in place of 2, we can get this. For 2 terms, this we can understand. For n terms, this expression comes. Okay. By taking n minus 1 inside, n minus 1 inside, 1 by n minus 1 inside, we get 1 by n minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus 1 by n into n minus 1 I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus 1 by n into n minus 1 to summation I not equal to j terms. Here, this is the common term in these two terms. So we common it, and 1 by n minus 1, this one minus n by 1 minus 1 common, 1 by n remains here, I is equal to 1 to n by I square minus this term is same here. Here we can write this as n into n minus 1 by n. This n minus 1 gets cancelled, and 1 by n remains here. This is the first term, that is equal to 1 by n, I is equal to 1 to n by I square minus 1 by n minus 1, n into n minus 1, I not equal to j to n by I by j. Consider this as equation 2. This is s square. We can express like this, equation 2. Here all the terms are small letters, small s square, small n, small y. Taking expectations on both sides on equation 2, we get expectation of s square is equal to, take 1 by n outside, expectation of summation I is equal to 1 to n by I square minus 1 by n into n minus 1, expectation of I not equal to j to n by I by j. Consider this as equation 3. First, in equation 3, consider this term, expectation of I not equal I equal to j n by I square. We can write this sample value in terms of population value by multiplying with a random variable ai. ai is 1 if the unit included in the sample, equal to 0 if ith unit is not included in the sample. Expectation of I is equal to 1 to n by I square is equal to I is equal to 1 to n expectation of ai into by I square. We know that expectation of ai is equal to small n by capital N from theorem 1. So this is equation 4. Small n by capital N, I is equal to 1 to n yi square. This is expectation of I is equal to 1 to n small yi square. We can write small n by capital N into I is equal to 1 to capital N yi square. Let us look into the another term, expectation of I not equal to j1 to small n small yi yj is equal to expectation of ai aj into yi yj, I not equal to j1 to capital N here. This is equation 5. Consider this expectation of ai aj is equal to 1 into probability of I taking values from ai taking values 1 and 0 into probability of ai aj is equal to 0. This is by definition of expectation of x. This term vanishes here. Consider this term. Since this is probability of ai aj is a joint random variable, we define it as probability of ai into aj is equal to 1. This is equal to probability of ai into probability of a into probability of b. A intersection b as probability of ab. This is, we can, by definition of conditional probability, we can write probability of ab is equal to probability of a into probability of b given a. Look here, this is probability of a into probability of b given a. Here probability of ith unit is included in the sample into 1 unit is included in the sample. This is jth unit is included into the sample after ith unit has already included. This is the conditional probability. We know that probability of ith unit is included into the sample is small n by capital N. If one unit included, there are n minus 1 sampling units remaining. Similarly, in population also, capital N minus 1 are remaining. For that, probability is ith unit is included into the sample after jth unit is already included, means one unit included, these are the favorable cases, and these are the total number of cases. This is the probability of expectation of AI, AJ. This is equal to expectation of AI, AJ is equal to small n by capital N into n minus 1 by capital N minus 1. Consider this as equation 6. Now take this expectation of I not equal to j n by I by j is equal to, here expectation of AI, AJ, this value is, by substituting the value of AI, AJ in equation 5, we get this. This is the equation 7, taking these values outside summation. Substitute the values of equation 4 and equation 7 in equation 3. That is, expectation of small s square is the equation 3. We are substituting the value of I is equal to 1 to small n by I here. This value is expectation of I is equal to 1 to small n small yi square. This becomes expectation of small yi. This is equal to small n by capital N into I is equal to 1 to capital N yi square. Similarly, this term is summation I not equal to j small n small yi yj becomes this value. Okay. Here small n get cancelled. N into n minus 1, n into n minus 1 get cancelled. This value remains. Look here, this is in pink color, similar to equation 2. The variation is there in equation 2, all values are in small letter. Here all values are in capital letters. This is equal to, this becomes, all values are small becomes small s square. By applying expectation on small s square, all small values becomes capital values. Finally, this is from equation 1, we can get this, we can transform this into this expression, that is equal to capital S square, as compared with equation 2. In equation 1 for small letters, just replacing capital letters, we get the same as above. Therefore, expectation of small s square is equal to capital S square. Here we are transforming all small letters into capital letters by using expectations. Hence the proof. Thank you.